big part of your exam is the knowledge that has to do with the triangles and has to do with angles, well, specifically triangles. Let's have a look. So in this question, J and K are two parallel lines. So those two are parallel to each other. As shown in the diagram below, the size of some angles are also shown. And we can see that 75, 60, 40. Okay, therefore, find the size of the angles A, B, and C. So we kind of need to remember the knowledge that has to do with our angles. So here, first, what we can identify, this is where I have angle A, and this my letter X. So I don't know if you remember, there was 3 letters that we were looking for always: X, F, and Z. Here, in this case, is letter X, and those two angles will be the same. So angle A is 60, and why is it? Because they are vertically opposite angles. So that's where letter F and the same, this angle and this angle will be the same. So anytime you have two lines like that, letter X, they are the same. When it comes to letter F, that has to do with what? Those two lines are parallel to each other, therefore those two angles are the same and they are called corresponding. Letter Z, this line and this line are parallel to each other, and therefore this angle and this angle will be the same, and that is what? Alternate angle. Okay, so we have one sorted. Now B. So here we have a triangle, isn't it? What do we know about triangle? All angle add up to 180 in every triangle. So once you have two, you can find the third one. So like in this case, 180 minus 75 minus the new one we discovered, 60. If we put that in the calculator, press equal, we'll get 45. So that's our angle B. And then we are left with angle C. So again, here we are saying, well, there is a reason why they gave us the parallel lines, isn't it? Because always remember the information are for a reason. Now, so again, going back to my letters, let's just pick a different. So here I can see this is letter F. Well, that means that this angle here and this angle here are the same. Now, if I'm looking at this triangle, I know this one is 40. If I know this angle, well, therefore the third one from 180 and I will find it. So what is the size? What is the size of this angle here? Well, all of that is a straight line. Together, a straight line, that's 180, isn't it? So if from 180 we take away 60, and we put that in the calculator, we get is 120. So this angle here is 120, and because they are corresponding angles, therefore this one is 120. So that's what I'm saying. That's my letter F here. So if that is 120 and that's 40, then I can find this one C. And again, it will be 180 because all angle in triangle add up to 180 minus 40 minus 120. We put that in the calculator, press equal, and we got that that is 20. So yes, so that's my C, that's my B, and that's my A. We have found all the angles.